school pa siya.
It's Monday today.
Alam mo, nag-iiyakan.
It's my favorite.
Tama mo. Jesus! Gagawa yung ganun, yung pagsisilgan ko yung asawa ko. Nagaplanchak talaga lahat kasi mag-grip, mami. Grabe naman sa pag-aalaga. This is a princess yan. You wanna go to Taiwan? Nagalit yung ama. What do they usually say when you marry a Filipina?
Oh yeah, Filipino does everything wrong.
So ask him. He's reading. Look, what is he reading?
What are you doing there, Kuya? Go home, sir. Sir officer.
Is he a police officer? Morning. Morning run with the fam bomb. Dito kami sa High Street ngayon. They usually have elephant grounds open around this time. Pero ngayon sarado. I don't know why. Ayan, sarado pa. I'm not sure why. But, ang open lang ang coffee shop here is their Starbucks. Ayan.
Look. Yes, sir. Do like this.
Yes, sir.
Look, Rama. Like this. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Wow. Sarado yung elephant ground mo, anak. It's closed. Elephant ground is still closed.
It's open.
Ask. Go and ask. We'll check. Ay, bala ka dyan.
Go, Kuya. Ask Kuya Bird.
Let's go for a walk. Let's walk home.
Did you don't like walk home? Don't like walk home?
There's Jollibee ice cream if you want.
Did you don't like?
You don't like. You want sticky cinnamon bun?
Yeah.
There, oh. Starbucks. Over there. Sticky cinnamon da lang. Oh, let's go na. Parang di ka naman nagpandesal.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings I
Can I have three coffee jam? Yeah, no whipped cream. Lasagna.
don't
Classic
stop
lasagna.
looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now.
Sabi ko kay ate, parang masarap yung Greenwich. Greenwich. For breakfast, lasagna for AA. Tapos nag-grilled cheese sandwich sila mother. And, uy, tama yung name ko Charo. No whipped cream. Alam mo, nag-iiyakan. Ano nangyayari? Ha? Umiiyak. Ay, Good morning! Nakalugay tayo ng buhok ngayon. Kasi kaya pa ito ni Aiden pinapatalan ko dapat. Nagdahilan lang.
Mommy, I got that book.
Yeah. Me too. You have so many books.
We had 100 books. I had 20 books.
You have 20 books. Did you count it? 16 books? Wow. I thought you have 20.
19, 20.
You have 20 books. Today is Tuesday. Nasa school pa siya.
No. It's Monday today.
Tuesday? No. What do you knowing me? So we got back. So for the past few days, medyo nasa-stuck ako sa bahay ng malala kasi I've been binge watching movies since this weekend actually. Philip invited me to do a movie time. So nag-movie time kami. I think it was Friday, nag-movie time kami nanood kami ng Captain America, yung bagong Captain America. And then, since then, around this time, magpa-play na ako ng movie. And one movie after another. Usually, nakaka-3 movies ako in a day. And then, bedtime namin ng mga kids. So, that's what I've been doing. So, ang pinanood namin kagabi, Hello, Love Again. And then, yung isa pa yung kay Katrina tsaka kay Daniel, kay DJ. I don't know what it was. Pero, yun yung pinanood namin kagabi. So, cool. Ngayon, ano naman tayo kay One More Chance. Na-notice namin lahat halos ng movies na gawa ni direct Cathy Garcia Molina. Yan din yung pwede nyo i-search. Kasi parang magkaiba ata yung name niya as a director on the other films na ginawa niya. So, you'll be watching One More Chance. Climbing. More! You have to climb more!
It's one more.
Yeah. Climbing. And it's windy on top of the mountain and he fell!
More.
Oh, na.
More. Last one.
No more.
Last one.
Okay, last one. I don't know what you're saying.
I'm thinking.
Naglalaban na naman si mama na kung ano-ano. So, dito pala si mother today. Nagluto si mama ng pork steak na may ano to ma? Na may bell pepper. And then, pwede ba akong kumain? Nagutom na ako. Kain na ta! Kain while watching One More Chance. Akala pa yung sa TikTok lang yung gano'n, instant. Ito siguro talaga original dyan lang ginaya ng TikTok. Ayun guys, so nag-checkan kami dito ni mama. Kasi nanonood kami ng My Neighbor's Wife. Tapos sinasikat ni Lovie yung kanyang asawa, pinaghahandaan, food, tapos naiisip ko, parang di naman totoo yung ganyan, yung mga ganyan asawa. Tapos nai-realize ko, ganun ka kay Papa eh. Diba? Luluto ka ng ulam, pagkain, tapos hahainan mo ng kanin, ito yung ulam. Pagpagod galing work, ganito ganyan, asikasuin yung galing. Magpa-plancha, bibigyan mo ng tsinelas. So yun nga, so yun na guys, ano. Sabi ko ako, bilang asawa, parang hindi ko nagagawa yung ganun, yung pagsisilbihan. May ganun pa. Nandiyan yung damit mo, isusuotin mo. O ano bang tawag yan? O ito tawag yan. Maligo ka na. Ganyan wala talaga sa akin. Sarili ko lang.
Siguro, dahil lang sa
Tapos, hindi, ma, huwag mo ko ipagtanggol. Alam ko talaga sa sarili ko. Alam kong hindi ako ganun. Tapos, yung magluto ka, diba? Tapos pagkasilbihan. May time naman ako na pag nag-assign ako na ako maluluto. Already na yung pagkain. Pero hindi mo makikita naglalagay ng plato. Ito yung pagkain ni ganyan. Gagawin ko, unahin ko syempre mga bata. Ano ako. Ganun lang. Tapos yun, depende pa ako. Pero yung asawa ko, yun pa yung nakahiga ako, nanonood ako ng TV. Tapos magluto na yan siya. Ito yung breakfast mo. Ganun pa siya pa yung nagsaserve. Eh, nakakahiya. Kasi sabi pa naman nila, mag-asawa ka ng Pilipina. Kasi pag sisilbihan ka.
Pagtanda mo,
Oo, sa akin lang naging...
Ikaw nanira ng
Ako yung nanira nung yung pangalan ng pagka-Pilipina. Hindi ako ganun, guys. Hindi ko alam kung... Or baka kasi, si Phil ayaw din niya na pinag-serve siya. Ayaw ba niya? Parang ayaw niya eh.
Hindi. Depende kasi kayo. Katulad niya, nung nandito siya, na-stop yung work niya. Alam niya siguro na ikaw yung ganito busy.
Noon pa ganun na siya eh.
Hindi talaga pwede.
Di ba noon na? Pugal mo sa lako may kanin, bacon. Tapos minsan sa bed pa.
Princess yan.
This is princess yan. Waga nga siya pala paprepare kay Lily sa
Mga uniform.
school. uniform, breakfast, lunch.
Hindi ganito. Pero pag
Pero
ano
driver.
naman, may time, ikaw naman driver. Tsaka may time naman na pag may gusto siyang kainin na ikaw yung magluto. Ikaw nagluluto. Pero bihira talaga. Tama talaga. Siya talaga.
Tsaka pati ko na yung gano'n. Ito merienda mo, bigyan mo na siya ng merienda. Masahin ko muna yung paa mo kasi pagod ka sa trabaho. Wala akong gano'n.
Parang kami pa yung nagkunan, nadala kami tinapay. Tapos di ba, tuntuan din siya. Ay, thank you ma. Gano'n. Hindi siya nakakatikin mo. Gano'n.
Hindi ako nag-iisip ng merienda. Pag-aalis na kami, siya pa pinasa-plancha ng damit ko eh.
Kaysa naman sa blood na.
Hindi ako pinasa-plancha ng damit niya. Si mama kasi, dati, boy pa si papa. Lahat yan, basta alam ko pag Sunday, plancha day mo na. Mga uniform, damit sa pang office ni papa. Lahat talaga naka-fold na yan, naka-ayos na, nakasampay na.
Dati, dun sa truck sa kuya mo. Nasa third floor. Pinaplanchak talaga lahat. Ultimo brief, mga measures.
Grabe naman sa pag-aalaga. Sumobra naman.
Pag may brief ka kami, luluwag.
Sobra naman sa pag-aalaga yun.
Tapos nararamdaman ko na may lindol pala. Birthday niya yun. Nadala ko gapang pababa. Pinamplasa. Pagbalik ko tapos na lindol, binubusan ako ng biyanan ko na ng tabo. Kasi paliguan daw po. Kasi nalindol daw yung apos.
Ganon. Kaya pala si kuya. Sorry kuya.
Nalindol.
Nalindol ka pala kuya.
Sober.
Accent.
You hear me?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah.
What's up? Or just talking to my mom.
I'm doing.
How I'm not serving you?
You're not saving me.
No.
What?
Like, serve you as a wife?
Really? It's pretty hard when I'm not fucking there, isn't it?
No, when you were here. What do they usually say when you marry a Filipina?
Oh yeah, Filipino does everything. I don't want that shit.
Filipina takes care of their man, right?
Yeah.
Do I take care of you?
Yeah, but I don't want that.
I told my mom. Actually, Philip does my ironing. When we go.
I like ironing.
What?
I like ironing and washing clothes and just like folding them.
There's this movie that we're watching, and I'm like, you know what? I realized I don't do that. The wife prepares breakfast for her husband before she leaves to work. Massage her husband's leg when he's sitting in front of the TV. Huh? Why are you laughing?
No, just think it's bollocks.
Mag-request ka daw ganyan pag-uwi mo.
What?
I just think it's bollocks.
My mom just said, tell Phil I said to request that for me when you come home.
No, I don't want that.
You don't want my massage?
Yeah, I'll take one, yeah. I'm not gonna beg for it.
You know what I mean? Like, you sit down in front of your TV and I bring you sandwich and beer.
Oh, that doesn't sound bad.
That does sound bad. Oh, you sit in the table, I put some water from a pitcher to your glass.
So we're getting ready.
You had some ice and Coke. Here you go. Here's my serving bowl.
Oh, I don't need any of that.
Yeah, just you guys don't do that. And you know what I realized? I'm a Disney princess.
I do that for you.
I know that's what I told my mom.
That's mine.
Philip does that to me.
Princesses don't do that shit.
So I'm a Disney princess nga. Am I your Disney princess?
Yep.
Ayaw niya daw ng pinagsisilbihan siya. Gusto niya daw siya yung nagsisilbi. Wow! My mom said, wow, sana all. What are you requesting, my love?
So I can like have my own fan, not like the electric fan, the one that I use like this, like the one from Maria Clara Atibar.
You want a pamaypay?
Oh, that's what you call it, pamaypay.
Yeah, pamaypay.
Yeah, I want pamaypay.
Yeah, pamaypay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is the grandma's phone?
We don't know. Pupunta tayo ng Pinks, di ba? Anong gusto mo kainin? Oh, naintindihan niya yan.
I was like,
Yung diary mo, nakalimutan mo.
oh my.
Pakita sa akin. Oh, pag-uwi mamaya Pag uwi, may sinulat ka?
What?
Nagsulat ka sa diary? Oh.
Nakausap siyang Tagalog, pero English sagot niya.
Oh.
I just have to like look for a word in Filipino that I know. Like when mommy's like, you'll know it, and she said it like again, and I found the word gusto, and then I'm like, oh, that means what do you want? And mommy's talking about pink, so what do you want to eat from pink?
Kumain, di ba? You know, kumain, di ba? Oh. Review tayo sa Filipino. Di ba? Nagbabasa ka ng word per word. Oh, and then sinasabi ko sa'yo, ano ibig sabihin nito? What does this mean? What does that mean? Every word. Para maintindihan mo so you understand what it means. And then, sometimes, nagtatagalog ako tapos tinatranslate ko din. I speak Tagalog and I translate that way. You learn also. Pero kailangan natin mag-practice sa bahay. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
You're talking about like we have to review how like you have to review Filipino, and when you speak Filipino you translate it.
Yeah.
We have to review Filipino at home.
Practice. Hindi naman review.
Okay, practice Filipino at home.
Pag uwi. What's uwi? What's uwi?
I don't know.
Uwi na. Let's go home na. Uwi.
Away is home.
No, uwi is coming home. Home is tahanan or bahay. Is house. Uwi is coming home. Natawa kami. Di ba tinatagalog din namin siya? Tapos sabi ko sa kanya,
Auntie.
yung rep bukas. Ha? Yung rep bukas. Ha? Ano ibig sabihin yung rep bukas? Sabi niya, bukas is tomorrow.
John, Auntie is like bukas, like slow means tomorrow. Bukas means this, but I forgot what it is.
Bukas is tomorrow. Bukas, it's open. Like you open your mouth. Like, bukas. Bukas.
Bukas! Bukas!
What's bukas?
I forgot what was it. Bukas!
Okay, the trick is when you say bukas, like you open your mouth like there, probably like wide. Bukas, open. Bukas. Bukas. Bukas is tomorrow. Say bukas.
Bukas.
That's bukas.
Bukas.
See how you open your mouth more with bukas?
Bukas.
What's bukas?
Do you understand?
It's open.
Bukas is open.
Yeah, say it.
Bukas.
Is
Open.
Open.
Bukas!
Open bukas.
Bukas?
Bukas! Open!
Bukas.
Bukas!
Oh, what's bukas? Tomorrow.
Tomorrow!
Good.
Bukas!
Oh, done na. Good job na. What do you do when you're cold?
I want my jacket!
What do you do when you're thirsty?
I'm thirsty! What do you do when you're hot?
What do you do when it's raining?
Mommy didn't go run. With the rain.
Huh? Mommy and Aiden will what? Run in the rain? Yeah, you can run in the rain if you like. Kulit.
I'm good!
Tagal na kasi si mother hindi Pinks.
Na-miss kong kumain sa Pinks. Yung ano yan, yung sausage. Ano yan?
Classic dog.
Huh?
Classic dog.
Oo, that's my favorite. Ano naman?
That's my favorite.
How to say it? Favorite.
It's my favorite.
It's my favorite. Like that? My favorite.
Favorite.
How do you spell favorite? Favorite.
It's my favorite.
Favorites.
It's like, it's my favorite. I remember one mistake I made. And fork. She says it like as pork.
Say it again. Say it again.
Fork.
Pork. Mali.
Almost.
Ano ba yan?
Konti.
Konti. Tagalog ang bibig ko. Ewan ko ba? Basta alam ko the tinidor is pork. Yung pala pork, baboy.
Pork.
Pork. Ano ba? Pork. What nga? Oh, say it again. Pork. Mali? Mali pa din?
You're almost there. Almost there, but you did well.
When I was getting my things, I had a massage. When I was getting my things, I had a massage.
Ay, matawag yung tatay, gagalit na. Sinundan niya pala yung tatay niya, eh, wala siyang wifi. Wala siya internet. Ngayon lang na-send. Sugat niya sa yung mark sa leeg niya. Ngayon lang na-send kasi kinunik ko sa wifi ko. Tumatawag ko yung tatay.
It's gone.
As of now, wala pa rin yung update kay Mami, pero I'm still trying to reach her out. Nakausap ko na din po yung bata, humingi ko ng sorry, which is hindi acceptable kasi nag-message ng behavior niya. Humingi din po ako ng pasensya kung hindi ko po sila lagi naming monitor, gawa nga po ng klase. But I assure you na hindi na po mangyayari. For his mommy naman, makausapin ko siya personally or during parent-teacher conference para i-raise ko ang concern yun at mapagsabihin ko ba again po kasi I love this possible kapag reply nito. Sabi ko, kasi sa amin mga parent, parang i-shock off na lang, ba't tapos na naman yung klase eh. Kaya lang again, 2 weeks, within, tinan mo, sa 2 weeks since na banggit ko sa teacher, may ganyan pa rin. Tuesday pa lang, may isang week pa and 3 days. May 8 days pa silang pasok. At saka kailangan ka ako magsalita ako para alam din ni Lily mismo na it's not okay yung ginagawa sa kanya.
Gagano yung gagawin.
Para pag sa walang bahala, ay, parang hindi mapinapansin ni Mami. Diba? Okay lang yun, ganun lang. Hindi pwede. Kailangan alam niya na mali yung ginagawa sa kanya. Sorry guys. Dapat yung vlog natin pa chill with Mama and Lily and the family and yung paboritong magtita. Hi guys! Ang paboritong tita kasi walang choice.
Uy, grabe ka naman. Favorite na talaga ako, guys.
Hi everyone daw. Dapat ang pa-vlog natin ngayon. Ano lang, parang you know, celebrating our family. Ganyan. Kaya lang, sumakto, nag-message sa akin yung teacher ni Lily. Gagalit yung ama niya. Gagalit yung ama.
That is mad.
That is mad. Sabi kasi namin guys, patapos na yung klase nila. Parang hayaan na lang dapat kasi ano na, patapos na, hayaan mo na. Ganyan. Huwag na lang pansinin, layuan na lang. Kaya na-realize ko, you know what, may 2 weeks pa since matapos yung klase nila. And then there's this thing na sinabi sa akin ng pinsan ko. Sabi niya, kailangan pakita mo kay Lily na ginagawan mo ng paraan or ginagawan mo ng way para ma-stop yun. Kasi kailangan alam na Lily na this is not okay. May incident na naman kasi kanina na nagkaroon siya ng mark sa leeg and ginanon daw siya ng IT. May time pa before na talagang si Lily sa sikmura na hindi daw makahinga si Lily. Tapos may time na alam niya na gano'n gagawin sa kanya ng klase ng batang lalaki na yung tinakpan niya na nagsalag siya gamit yung libro. Tapos sinagis daw yung pencil niya. May mga ganun. Basta maraming incident. I don't, like, before sabi ko I don't wanna go through into all the details. Pero, niraise ko tong concern na to sa teacher before. And sabi ko, nagigets ko naman, since marami sila sa klase, the teacher cannot always keep an eye on every student. Lalo pa kung marami sila. More than 30 sila eh. Kasi isa lang yung teacher, di ba? Okay, I get that. I understand. Ako nga, dalawa lang yung anak ko. Hindi ko pa matutukan lahat ng bigla na lang may nadapa or may ganito. Tatanong pa ano nangyari, di ba? So yung ganong kadami, naiintindihan ko naman. Pero, yun nga, kailangan alam nila, this is not right. So sabi ko sa teacher, if it's possible, nakausapin ko personally yung parent. Kasi, although nasa pangangalaga ito ng school or ng class ng mga teacher at the time, gets ko yun. Parang mas sasabihan kasi or mas mapupukusan yung bata ng parents, di ba? Kasi our kids are our responsibility. Lalo pa, nagsabi daw, may time na pinagyayabang ng bata daw na marunong siyang manakal. Yung mag-choke na hindi makakaingay yung isang bata. Sinabi mo yun? Oo, sinabi ko sa teacher. Tapos, sabi daw, tinry daw kay Lily. Tapos, sabi ko, ay, ba't ka pumayag? Sabi niya, tatry niya, pero yun, mami, oh, talagang hindi siya marunong, ay, talagang hindi ka pala makakainga pag ginanon ka niya. Sabi ko, huwag ka papayag, ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, ganyan. Delikado yun. Pinag-brag daw ng bata is ang nagturo sa kanya, yung daddy niya. Kaya sabi ko, okay, so since yung daddy niya yung nagturo sa kanya ng ganitong bagay, I want to speak to the parents as well, na although okay lang, naturuan niyo yung anak niyo with self-defense, kailangan alam din ng anak niyo when not to use it. You know? Kasi ako, gusto ko ipa-join si Lily sa taekwondo, sa mga martial arts, diba? Nag-try yan siya, nasa Dubai, nag-taekwondo siya. Taekwondo class siya. Although we want our kids to learn, to defend their selves, dapat alam din nila when not to use it. You know, especially she's a girl. Matangkad na babae lang siya, malaking bata lang siya, but she's... So, na-stress ako kasi kanina nag-send siya sa akin ng message. May mark yung leg niya na naman. Ginanon daw siya ng ID, ng same kid.
Just like this. Just like this.
Yeah. Na ano ko. Sakto, nag-message ngayon mga kaya hindi niya ako makausap. Nag-message sa akin yung teacher na ano na kinausap na niya. Tapos mag-update daw siya pag nag-reply niya yung parent. Gano'n. So ako, sakto. Ay, ito teacher, sinend ko yung picture na sinend sa akin ni Lily. Internet yung phone ni Lily. Sakto, sinend niya rin pala sa daddy niya. Ay, yung daddy niya tumatawag. Sabi niya, ano nangyari sa leg ni Lily? Nagalit. What is that?
Where is my cat?
The cat is gone. We're waiting for the cat.
The cat is disappeared.
It disappeared? Well, when the cat shows up, you have to tell me, okay?
Mommy's disappeared.
Yeah, when the cat show up, you have to tell mommy. Mommy, it's here again,
Mommy's
okay?
here.
Yeah. You have to wait for the cat to show up again.
It's this rainbow.
That's Taiwan. Mommy and Lily went to Taiwan before. Did you know that?
I want to go to
You wanna go to Taiwan? Aww. Maybe next time.
Here we go.
That's where we found. That's where we saw
It's
the panda.
Superman.
Aiden, that's where we saw the panda in the zoo in Taiwan. When Mommy and Lily saw a panda in the zoo, that's in Taiwan.
Lion, hippopotamus, flamingo, zebra, golden, elephant, leopard, peacock.
Where's that?
I need a fourth. We have panda bear, gold eagle, water buffalo, spider monkey. Yeah, there's caught and trans on the sea.
That's a lot of animals. Let's go, Nakarna. What's that?
Opening.
It's opening. It's the cat.
It's fish.
Wow, you happy?
It's me.
Oh,
Okay,
again.
let's open.
It's open again.
It's filled.
Ah.
Look at
happy naman siya, oh.
We just have to show up.
Oh, no, it's finished. We have to get a car.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.